This is a belt buckle, and it is three-dimensional surface modeling made by one of the advanced students at St. Louis City College. Here, hold it, so I can get you in Kwak's on. And there, look at this.
For
Hold
Jack.
it. Oh, and of course, got to get you in there.
Not me.
Yeah, you got to be in there. Very nice.
Thanks, Jack.
Very nice. Now I can look like a cowboy. Great. That came out really good.
Thanks, Jack.
Yeah,
I was just hoping you'd like it, and when you wear it, Jack, that's when I'll be ultra happy.
And I think it's only fair to say that this semester I have you in no classes, so this wasn't like somebody kissing up to get better grades. Fair enough?
Wayne, yeah, Jack, yeah, Wayne kept going. Son, let me see that. When you weren't around, Jack, he's all like this, going up to all the other students in here.
That came out really nice.
Thanks, Jack.
Sit it down on the table.
Okay.
I want to get a couple more stills of it.
Okay.